Hey everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to encode videos using HandBrake from start to finish. Whether you want to compress a file, change the format, or prepare it for uploading, so this is the workflow you need. First, open HandBrake on your computer. Then click Open Source and select the video you want to encode. Once your video loads, go to the right side and pick a preset. Fast 1080p or very fast 1080p are good choices for most situations, especially if you want a quick and balanced encode. Now check the format at the top. Make sure it is set to MP4, since that works on almost every device and platform. Next, go to the Video tab. Here you can choose your encoder. H.264 is the safest option, while H.265 gives smaller file sizes but takes more time. Now adjust the quality slider or bitrate. Lower values mean smaller files, but don't push it too far or the video can start to lose detail. Next, click Browse and choose where you want to save the encoded video. Give it a clear name so you don't overwrite your original file. Finally, click Start Encode. HandBrake will begin processing your video, and you can track the progress in the queue window. And that's it, you've successfully encoded a video using HandBrake. You know, once you get used to these settings, it becomes a really fast workflow for any video project.